AI chatbots. Yes, those little digital helpers that can answer questions, book appointments, and even tell dad jokes. Why did the chatbot cross the road? To assist the other side. So, what exactly are these magical AI chatbots? In simple terms, they're computer programs designed to simulate conversations with human users. Think of them as your virtual customer service agents, available 24/7. Never needing coffee breaks. But why do we need them? Well, businesses are swamped with customer inquiries. Imagine having a tireless assistant who can handle multiple chats at once. There are user-friendly platforms like ChatGPT, ManyChat, and Tidio that let you create chatbots without writing a single line of code. Just drag and drop your way to chatbot success. Alright, now that you're all pumped about chatbots, let's talk about how to sell them. You might be thinking, but where do I even start? Fear not, here's the lowdown. First, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for selling your chatbot services. Create a gig that showcases your skills. Maybe something like, I'll build a chatbot that will make your customers swoon. Next up is social media. Got a knack for marketing? Use platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn to showcase your chatbots. Share testimonials from happy clients, or even create fun demo videos. Who doesn't love a good chatbot in action? Don't forget about local businesses. Approach shops or service providers. Everyone from pizza parlors to pet groomers could use a friendly chatbot to manage inquiries. Just imagine their delight when you tell them they can save time and boost sales with a chatbot buddy. Now that you've got your chatbot ready to roll, it's time to train it. Think of it as teaching a puppy new tricks, except this puppy never chews your shoes. Start by figuring out what tasks the bot will handle. Will it answer FAQs, book appointments, or maybe give out pizza recommendations? Most platforms provide templates for common tasks. Just select the one that fits your needs and customize it. It's as easy as changing the toppings on your favorite pizza. Once your bot is up and running, test it out. Have friends or family interact with it and gather feedback. Remember, training is an ongoing process, just like trying to get that last slice of pizza before anyone else does. Now let's talk about why sleep videos are so popular. With the hustle and bustle of life, people crave that sweet escape into dreamland. These videos offer a soothing sanctuary filled with calming visuals and gentle sounds. Who wouldn't want to drift off to a serene beach or a tranquil forest? Here's where the magic happens. AI tools. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create mesmerizing sleep videos. Tools like Deep Dream Generator and Runway ML can help you whip up stunning visuals that'll have viewers saying, I'll take two. And for those soothing sounds, try Eva or SoundDraw, which can compose relaxing music tailored just for your video. But wait, there's more. Let's chat about the monetization potential. Longer videos mean more watch time, and more watch time equals more ad revenue. So if you create a cozy 8-hour sleep video, you're not just helping people catch some Z's, you're also cashing in on those sweet ad dollars. First things first, let's talk quotes. The heart of any motivational video lies in the words we choose. Think of quotes as the secret sauce that adds flavor to your content. When selecting quotes, aim for those that resonate deeply. Look for words that make you feel something, joy, hope, or even a little kick in the pants. And remember, if it made you tear up or yell yes at your screen, it's probably a winner. Now that you've got your quotes, it's time to bring them to life. Enter AI voiceovers, your new best friend. With tools like Descript or Speechelo, you can transform text into engaging audio without sounding like a robot. Seriously, these voices are smoother than butter on warm toast. Next up, visuals. You want your audience captivated by what they see while they soak in those powerful words. Use platforms like Canva or Animaker to create stunning animations or slideshows that complement your quotes. Think vibrant colors, dynamic transitions, and eye-catching imagery. Just remember, no one wants to watch a video that looks like it was made in 1995. Unless you're going for a retro vibe, then go wild. Let's wrap this up with some content strategy tips. Know your audience. Understand what motivates them. Is it success, resilience, or love? Tailor your quotes accordingly. Mix it up. Don't just stick to famous quotes. Include lesser-known gems for a fresh perspective. And don't forget a call to action. End your video with a question or challenge. Get viewers thinking and engaging. Now let's talk about why watermark removal is in such high demand. In the age of social media, content creation is booming faster than a cat video going viral. But here's the catch. Many creators are using stock images or videos that come with those annoying watermarks. Imagine crafting the perfect post for Instagram only to realize that stunning photo has a big old watermark plastered across it. Talk about a buzzkill. That's where you come in. By offering watermark removal services, you can help fellow creators reclaim their content and elevate their work. Now that you know the demand is there, let's chat about how to market this shiny new service. Spoiler alert, social media is your best friend. Start by creating eye-catching posts showcasing your watermark removal skills. Before and after images are like magic, showing how you turn a meh photo into wow that will have clients lining up faster than you can say, watermark be gone. Use hashtags like watermark removal and content creation magic to reach your target audience. Engage with creators in online communities. Join Facebook groups or Reddit threads where content creators hang out. Offer tips, share expertise, and don't be shy about promoting your services. Alright, now let's get down to business. What tools do you need to make this magic happen? Adobe Photoshop is the gold standard for image editing. With its clone stamp and healing brush tools, you can wave goodbye to those watermarks like they never existed. GIMP is a free alternative that packs quite a punch. It might take some getting used to, but once you do, you'll be removing watermarks like a pro. If you want something super simple, InPaint is like the microwave of watermark removal. Just upload your image, highlight the watermark, and watch it disappear in seconds. If you're dealing with videos, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are essential. They allow you to crop out watermarked sections or blur them out seamlessly. Swash app is an innovative platform that pays you for simply browsing the web and watching ads. It's like having a side hustle that requires zero effort. Just install the app and let it work its magic in the background. Once installed, Swash app will show you ads while you browse. These aren't just any ads, they're tailored to your interests. And here's the kicker. You don't even have to click on them to earn money. Just having them displayed on your screen is enough to rack up those sweet earnings. Now let's talk numbers, because I know that gets everyone excited. With Swash app, you can earn up to $120 per ad watched. Yes, $120, but hold your horses. It depends on various factors like location and ad types shown. You might be wondering why choose Swash app over other side hustles. Here are a few reasons. Global access, available in over 200 countries. Multiple payment options, whether cash or gift cards. Easy setup. If you can click a mouse and browse the web, you can use Swash app. First up, let's talk about engagement. The magical connection where your audience feels like they're chatting with their best friend instead of just scrolling through another boring post. To engage your audience effectively, share your struggles. Did you burn dinner while trying to film? Perfect. Post that blooper. Everyone loves a good laugh at someone else's expense. Who hasn't set off the smoke alarm trying to impress friends? Also, ask questions. Get involved. What's the craziest thing you've done for your side hustle? Let them spill the tea in the comments. The more they engage, the more connected they feel. And trust me, connection equals loyalty. Now let's chat about where to focus marketing efforts. If you're not on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube yet, what are you doing? These platforms are like the holy trinity of side hustle marketing. Instagram is all about eye-catching visuals. Post stunning photos of products or behind-the-scenes shots of processes. Don't forget stories. They're perfect for quick updates or polls. TikTok is where trends go viral faster than my grandma can finish her bingo game. Create short, snappy videos showcasing your hustle in fun ways. YouTube is land of long-form content. Share tutorials, vlogs, or product reviews. It's like having a personal TV show, but without a fancy studio or annoying network executives breathing down your neck. Alrighty then. Now that we know where to market our side hustles, let's brainstorm content creation ideas that'll have viewers flocking faster than seagulls at dropped French fries. Keep an eye on trending topics. Is there a viral challenge? Jump on it and share your unique spin on it. Share valuable advice, whether hacks for better productivity or must-have tools for success. Everyone loves a good tip. Showcase happy customers using your products or services. Nothing sells better than word of mouth from someone who isn't related to you. And remember, consistency is key. Post regularly so your audience knows when to expect new content, like waiting for next season's favorite show. Thanks for watching.